myself Himanshi and I'm your mathematics teacher. I hope you all are fit and fine, and I know that before this session you must have some food. Your tummy is full, you all are energetic. Let's go. So let's begin with our today's session. See, I just want to give you the hint first of all. What are we going to do today? I will be giving you the hint. Let's say, dear, do you love ice cream? Yes, most of the students, not most of, but all of the students love ice cream. So, do you know about the cornetto? What is the shape of the cornetto? It's a cone. Exactly. Now, let's say, just do let me know that in which shape you are sitting. What is the shape of the classroom? So, this is a 3D shape. Let's begin. First of all, what is the difference between 2D and 3D shape? So, 2D shape, which you can easily draw on the paper. And what are the 3D shapes? Which you can't draw. Means we can draw it, but not all the dimensions. So, in today's session, we are going to cover surface area and volume of different shapes. And this topic is there in your class 10 skills. And this topic is very, very important because the higher marks questions come from this topic. Even the case study can also come from this topic. So let's begin with the different shapes first of all. I will be guiding you, I will be showing you different shapes and you need to tell me that what is the name of that shape. And one by one, we are going to find out surface area and volume. Now see, as I'm saying that surface area and volume. So surface area. What is a surface area? Surface area simply means that, let's say I am having this shape with me. Can you please tell me that what is the name of this shape? How many faces are there? There are 6 faces. Yes. The front one, back one, up, down, right and left. See, this is right and this is left. So we are having 6 faces of it. Now what is a surface area? Surface area simply means that the area which the shape is occupying in the environment. So we are having 6 rectangles of it, correct? Now who is going to tell me that what is the formula to find out the area of the rectangle? In rectangle, if we see, it's a 2D shape. And if we talk about cuboid, it is the 3D shape with 6 faces. I hope the shape is visible to everyone. Okay, sounds good. Now, if I talk about the 2D shape of rectangle, so it's having 2 dimensions. The first one is length and the second one is width, or we can say it as breadth as well. Now the area simply means the length times width or breadth. I hope that this part is clear to you. Now we are having 6 rectangles here, so that simply means we need to add the area of the 6 rectangles. Let's see the area of the front rectangle. This is having a length and height. So in cuboid we are having the 3rd dimension, that is height. Okay, this is angle and this is your width and this is your length. So area of the front rectangle is length times height. Similarly, the same rectangle we are having cuboid. Now, similarly, we can find out the area of cone. We can find out the area of cylinder. Here we are having three thingy cylinders. And similarly, we can find out the area of the cube as well. So cube is having the 6 squares, and cylinder simply means cylinder is having a curved surface area and 2 circles. One is on top and one is in bottom. So in surface area and volume, in today's session, we have covered the surface area of cuboid. Now, in the next session, we will be covering the surface area of cube, surface area of cone, and surface area of cylinder. Now, I just want to know from your side that if you are having any doubt, then please do let me know. You are free to ask me. And one more thing is that you are having a homework that you need to make a cuboid. And you can take the length, width, height according to your wish. I hope that this session is clear to you. Thank you. Have a good day.